Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the Roblox app and go to Settings under Account Info to check notifications. Confirm that notifications are toggled on for chats, friend requests, and game updates. Next, open your device settings and find apps or notifications to allow Roblox alerts. Verify Do Not Disturb or Focus modes are off at the system level during active hours. Also check your system volume and alert style so banners can appear. Restart the Roblox app after these changes to apply new notification preferences. Open your device app permissions and allow Roblox to run in the background. Enable background app refresh on iOS and auto start or unrestricted data usage on Android if present. Allow badge icons and lock screen notifications so alerts remain visible. Check battery optimization and disable restrictions that may kill Roblox processes. Update the Roblox app to the latest version in the App Store or Google Play. Applying these permission changes helps restore reliable push notifications and badge counts. If notifications still fail, clear the Roblox cache or app storage on your device. Clearing cache removes old push tokens that sometimes block new alerts from arriving. If clearing cache does not fix the issue, uninstall Roblox and reinstall it from the official store. Reinstalling refreshes the push registration and resolves persistent token errors. After reinstalling, sign in and re-enable all notification types in the app. Finally, contact Roblox support with your account ID if problems persist after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.